Hello and welcome to our visual tour of 941A Vineyard Place, townhouse condos in Bennett's Creek Square. This 4-bed, 3-bath townhome offers a large bedroom and full bath on the first floor in this spacious plan, and much more. Call for a private tour. Beautiful modern Craftsman style open floor plan with warmth and charm. This plan has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, loft, double walk-in closets and primary suite upstairs, rear load 2-car garage, and much more. Amenities are too many to name them all. Open Thurs through Sunday. Call listing agent for a private tour or just stop by to see for yourself. This model is now under construction. Estimated completion is October 2024. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, hospital, and interstate. July 16, 2024.